We came to the military base to see the air show. We're just pulling in. This is so cool looking at all these airplanes flying around. I can't really get them. You can't see them. They're up there though. But we will get some more videos of this later. This is really awesome. There's a big plane right up in front of us, but we got to park. We are just trying to find a parking spot, but this is so awesome. Look at those giant aircraft right there and all the people. I got to turn this off though. Alright, here we are. We just got parked at the Air Force Base. Just cars all around us. We are going to head in here and we can't wait. It is going to be so cool. Here we go. We're coming up on this big old airplane. We're just getting up to the entrance. We're so excited. This is going to be awesome.
We'd like to say a big
Yes,
thank
it's
you to
awesome.
Selfridge
Look at that.
Open House and Air Show, the 127th week for 100 years of military aviation.
Comes with the rounded surfaces of the airplane. Here comes that T-33 coming back around. You can see how fast it is, and also it takes up a lot of sky to get turned around. But Greg's bringing it back right to Airshow Center. Greg flies for Selfridge. He also broadcasts his performance live on his Facebook page, which is the T-33. Lost my place. The T-33 Ace Maker.
Oh, we get to go in the... Where is it? There it is. We're just sitting here eating lunch, watching this airplane do all kinds of crazy tricks. There he goes down there. He'll be back. Well, here he comes right toward us. Bet he comes back up. Here he comes! He does some crazy tricks. Turning that airplane, stopping it. There's a plane behind here, and I bet it's going to come over us super fast. I'm hoping. It did a minute ago. It just pops up out of nowhere. Maybe not. We don't know. We're going to wait and see. Oh, there it is! It's so sneaky! I can't even see where it went. There it is. It's hard with the phone. I don't know where it went now. So it's over here. It's so bright I can't even see anything.
This is not a 50. That's a 30 millimeter. This is a 30 mil.
Dad, they're showing you what comes out. Dad, they're showing you what comes out of it,
Oh no, they got him. Oh no, they got you guys. Well, see, that's it. The plane took him out. I guess they're not bombing right now. Let's find out. He's turning. Here they come. Another one coming in above me too. Let's see what they do. No.
In the FA-18 Hornet and the Super Hornet. He is fully qualified aboard naval carrier, accumulating over 190 red kite 10 days.
flip back around. He's showing how he gets away from other airplanes. There he goes. He just makes it go all slow like that. I think it's a F-22, I don't know. He's flying around, he's just practicing. We watched him take off. He's just kind of flying around for us as we're on our way back to the parking lot. Here we are loading back into the van. We're loading into the van here. We just are pooped. It was really tough. Long day out in the sun, looking at all those airplanes. It's just hot out here. Beautiful day. It's time for us to head out. We're gonna get some Gatorades. Alright. We just happened to drive the wrong way and we came up right on Lake St. Clair. Right on the lake, and there's all these boats out here watching the air show. It's so crazy. So many people are out here. Yeah, wow. Everybody wants to get a good look. That would be a great way to watch this. So we're back now, and we had a really great time at the air show. And now we're just kicking back and playing some video games. What should everybody do, guys? Yeah! Awesome!